Today we're going to show you from getting from here to here with your own finger painting. So today we're going to make our own finger paint teleporter today. So go and grab your script from the marketplace. So you can see we've got a blank room and we're just starting up, and we got our tablet. So let's go into our tablet. We're going to just do a swipe with our thing, click on the wonderful paint tab, and you can see we've got different colors here. So we're going to choose a color here for our choice. Of course it's going to be some kind of purple, of course it is, guys. And we're going to look at the options here. Now one thing we do is we need to make that constant line, so we're going to tick that box. So you can see there's the box, and we're going to click our brush. So we've got a nice purple colour now, and you've got all kinds of things you can choose from. You've got a star down there, what we'll choose later, and we've got our width, and you can see that on our hands. See, you can see the magical ball, and you can see how the thickness is. So what we're going to do is use our triggers, and we're going to start painting around and making our portal really big. So it's going to be really long, and it's going to be so big. Oh, you can make any kind of colour you want and any kind of paint you want. It's all up to you really at the end of the day. So I think we can have a nice star around that, and we definitely need to change the colour. Do, yeah, nice yellow, and maybe take the thickness down maybe. And we'll just quickly do that, and we are done pretty much. And you can do this in VR without VR as well, guys. It's just a little bit more difficult, but definitely easy. So we'll come out of VR and we'll carry on. So we're back on our desktop now, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a block for our portal. So we're going to quickly do that. Stretch it over where our portal is. So we're just going to grab the ends and stretch them. You just get the grey pieces. It may change at any time, guys, I just warn you. So what we're going to do next is we are going to leave it as that for now, and we're going to go to our edit in the menu, and we're going to go to assets, and we're going to find the script called portal. Now this will probably be in your sandbox. I will leave a link below where you can grab it as well. So if you just right hand click on it and press copy URL, and you can use that for the block. So we're gonna click on the block. We're going to go back into edit, create, and we're going to go back into list and properties, and you will see we have a script URL here. We're just going to we're going to press Control V on it, and we will get that. We can't copy and paste at the moment. We need to clear out this, and this is where the magic comes along. So what we have to do is we have to go back to the pack, and we have to go and grab the link. So let's go and do that right now, should we? So we've gone to the pack, and what we're going to do is we're going to quickly get the link to where we are. So we're going to navigation, then we're going to go to copy address to clipboard. So we're just going to click that, and we'll go right back to where we were. So we're back at home, and we're going to quickly add our link to it. So we're going to go back into edit. We're going to go back into the properties, and we're going to click on our object. Now, so if we go down to the bottom, we will see that our script will be enabled, of course. And then what we got to do is we got to clean out that data. So we cleaned out that data last time, and we are just going to paste in our link, what I have here, and we are going to repaste that in. So Control V for now, and you should be able to do that. Now one thing we've got a block here that we don't really want to walk into, because you know we're not going to see this, so we're going to make this collisionist, and this box is going to disappear as well. So we're going to make that invisible. So we're going to tick this button here, and you will see that will disappear, and everything magically will disappear with the blocks, and all we see is the portal. So if we come out of our edit now, in theory, we should be able to walk in our portal and see what happens. And there we go. There we go. We're in our new world. We're in the park, and we can go for a stroll and anything like that. So there you go, guys. We have made a portal to another world. So thank you for joining in for this week, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.